My name is Eric Lux, and I'm a race car driver and a Buffalo native. I learned about OWM Integrative Wellness when I was in a time crunch to heal an ankle injury. The biggest race of the season is a Rolex 24 Hours of Daytona, and I'm a professional race car driver. I've been one for the past 20 years, and that's the start of our season, and it's also our biggest race. So I had about 4 weeks that I really needed to turn it around, and 2 other doctors told me it was going to be 6, more likely 8 weeks, and I just couldn't work with that time frame. And after a number of Google reviews and calls and speaking with Dr. Kaplan, I realized that I needed to get in there pretty quickly. Thankfully, when I got to the track, I felt almost 100%, and it didn't hinder my ability to perform at all. Dr. Kaplan recommended PRP for my ankle, and that's platelet-rich plasma. Basically, they pull your blood out, they put it into a centrifuge and separate the platelets from the blood and re-inject it into the area that's been injured. The goal then is to help speed up the healing process in that region and cut down your recovery time. Dr. Kaplan also uses high heat treatment. The combination of those 2 treatments really helped my ankle get better in half the amount of time that the other doctors recommended. About 3 weeks after receiving the platelet-rich plasma injections, I noticed that my ankle was nearly 95%. The first day was a little bit of a setback where it was tender, but after that, I would say every day was a noticeable improvement after that treatment. I think it's an unconventional approach, just that it's always evolving. In the past 6 months of going to Dr. Kaplan's OWM Integrative Wellness, it seems like almost monthly they're coming out with new treatments or new ideas that they want to explore that have had positive feedback in their industry or with their patients. And I like that we're not just living in a textbook for 5 or 10 years at a time and trying to take that information and then build on top of it too. There's a number of things that he can treat, whether it's illnesses or diseases or injuries or just overall health. If you have something weighing on you that you want to address, or if you have something that you need to address in a quick timeline, I would certainly give him a call.